Good day, everyone. I am Cesar Kenneth F. Digia, here to share with you a story titled Belle's Quest. One day, a dog named Belle is getting bored and is hungry for adventure. So, she decided to set her goal of getting the golden fish. The golden fish has been thought to be a myth, and Belle decided to try and get it to show the world that it is real. For her adventure, Belle wanted to make a group of three. She wanted the pirate and an explorer to join her. For many days and nights, she traveled through the sea to meet the pirate and the explorer in a small town near the beach to help her. As Belle greeted the explorer to join her cause, the explorer declined and said he is already retired. Belle stumbled to see the explorer's face, but after a couple of hours of persuading, the explorer finally agreed under one condition. It was to test Belle's wit. He wanted Belle to solve a riddle in under 3 tries for him to join her crew. After 3 tries of solving, Belle finally made it. If her quick thinking and wit helped her solve the riddle, then the explorer would join. The explorer joined Belle's crew as a part of her promise. The explorer found an oddly familiar boat and saw his friend on the docks looking frustrated, so Belle and the explorer were trying to convince the pirate to join with them. The pirate explained to them that his ship's hull has a hole and said if you could fix it, then I will join you and you can use my boat. Belle fixed it in a jiff, and the pirate was amazed. If the pirate would join the crew, then it would be for Belle's skills of fixing the boat. They traveled for hours and finally reached the secret temple. They swam under, but unknowingly, it was full of traps that made the pirate fall into a pit. If the pirate was not distracted, then he would not have fallen into a pit. The pirate said to them to keep going as they are near. Suddenly, a flurry of arrows came raining down and dodged them one by one, not noticing that there was a booby trap on the floor. They stepped on a sticky floor that opened a hole where they had fallen and finally found the golden fish. If they had not fallen into a sticky trap, then they would not have found the golden fish. They traveled back to town and showed the fish to everyone, and everyone considered Belle to be the bravest dog around. I hope that you have learned something from my story. That would be the end. Thank you.